All right, guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video, guys, we are going to be talking about the LiqFinity airdrop. All right, so we have actually participated on the testnet and the snapshot has been taken on the testnet. So this time around, we need to proceed to the next step, which is, of course, completing the Galxe quest or Galxe quest, whichever one you want to call it. So on this video, I'm going to be putting you through how you can be able to do it. If you participated on the testnet, then congratulations, you are still on the right track. But in case you have missed out on this LiqFinity airdrop, do not panic, because more updates, more new airdrop are coming, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys right here through this channel. So thank you for watching, guys, and let's now proceed to completing the quest. All right, so over here, guys, the link that's going to be taking you, that's going to be bringing you right here, that we are going to be completing the Galxe quest, is going to be right there on the video description box. All right, so use the link right there to get yourself right here. So if you have participated on the testnet, this is the next thing that you are going to be doing, and after this one, guys, we are then going to be having the date for the token generation event. Of course, we all know that immediately after token generation event, we are having the listing of the token. All right, so over here right now, we only have two Galxe quests to complete right here. We have this one called level 1, and we have this one called Galxe S1 or season 1, I don't know. So but on this video, guys, let's now talk about it. So please, guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel, guys, I talk about crypto airdrop. I introduce new airdrop that's going to be paying you guaranteed airdrop, and I also put you through all the processes until you qualify to receive and cash out from such project airdrop. So right now, guys, this is another one. This is called LiqFinity, and right now we are still on our track to finishing the whole thing that's going to be qualifying us to receive the airdrop. All right, so right now, guys, once you have gotten yourself right here, the next thing you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on this first one. All right, so literally all these quests right here are very, very simple. Okay, and right now, guys, all we are required to do here is literally for us to complete the quest. For example, we have the first one saying follow LiqFinity on X, tweet bullish about LiqFinity, have the Galxe stage 0 role in LiqFinity AI Discord server, and like LiqFinity tweet. All these things right here are literally very, very simple. So right now, guys, I'm going to be completing it right here immediately. Then we are going to be heading to the next step. If I found any trouble along the line, I'm going to be opening the video again, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to complete it. Okay, and boom, guys, I've successfully completed all the stuff. But one thing that I needed to take note of right here is this one that says have the Galxe stage 0 role in LiqFinity AI Discord server. So before you can be able to complete this one particularly, before you can be able to complete this one particularly and claim this role, you need to come over here and complete the first quest that's going to be showing right here. Let me show you here real quick. Okay, and this is the quest right here. This one says stage 0 social media task. You need to come over here and first of all, complete it before you can then proceed to completing the second one. So all this one right here are very, very simple. You simply need to follow the X account, follow the LiqFinity DeFi lending protocol on Galxe, visit the documentation website, have the verify role on the Discord. All these things are very simple. Then you make sure that you claim the role. Then after that, then you can then proceed to this one saying stage 0. Okay, and over here right now on this one says stage 0, everything right here is also very simple. Okay, so you need to come over here and then click on claim role. Okay, then you are going to be asked to agree to all this. Then you click on approve, and immediately your role is going to be given to you. All right, and once you have been able to claim your role, then you have successfully completed this stage. All right, so it means that you are now on the right track towards gaining the maximum reward from the LiqFinity airdrop. All right, so if you have any question or if you are finding anything difficult, let me know right there on the comment section, and I'll be helping you as soon as I can. So everything right here is very simple, and I believe with this guide you can be able to complete it at your own end. Remember that many other airdrop are on the way, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys through this medium. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping soon. Do have a lovely day.